As in today's episode, I'm trying to figure out why when I press my unlock button on my key fob, my lock goes back and forth a bunch of fucking times. Obviously that part functions correctly. This seems to function correctly. So I'm going to try and get the lock out itself. So we got the lock out. I'll show you what it's doing. It unlocks, but then when you press the lock button, it does that goofy ass shit. So let's see what the fuck is up. So what I'm noticing here, this screw moves. So I'm wondering if maybe that has something to do with it. Genuinely don't know what the fuck I did, but it seems to be working now. So I guess we'll put this stupid shit back together. I don't know what the fuck I did. I don't know why it's working now. I mean, I pulled this case off and looked inside there. Pried it off as far as I could. I couldn't get it all the way off. But I pried it off as far as I could and looked in there, and maybe something rotated the way it was supposed to. I don't fucking know, honestly. So I don't expect this to work forever. Yeah, that's rather fucking confusing now. But here's hoping it keeps working the way it's fucking supposed to. Shit. So when I put the door latch line back on, it does the same thing. So what I'm thinking is, this fucker was bent a little bit, stressing it out, causing that fucking thing to like skip or strip. So I'm going to try and straighten this line out a bit more, and I think that might solve the issue. And fucking bingo, it works now. I'm pretty sure that's what it was. This fucking cable, the cable housing itself was bent too much, so the cable was getting caught in there, causing that thing to fucking strip and flip out. So I'm going to try and straighten that out just a tad more to make it a little bit easier on everything. God, I fucking love being a mechanic and fixing shit. This is dope as fuck. You can still see the line kind of flexing a little bit there, because the solid line is fucking bent. But it works the way it's supposed to now. So we're good. Alright, we're going to try and install this before the timer runs out. Get that bitch out of the way. That's there. That'll hold. That'll hold. That'll hold. Now we gotta connect the rod to the door handle clip. That's on. Clipped down. Keep that shit up. That's there. Line up. Where'd I put the fucking bolt? Son of a bitch. Oh, there it is. Bolt goes to the window frame rail. That's good. I fucking love fixing shit. Boom. Double check again. Oh, we're Titties McGee, boys and girls. Do the same thing, but this time with the door panel. One electrical clip. Two electrical clips. Nope, that's the lock. That goes there. lock in there. Slide that up and on. Smack it into fucking place. And before we put the last 2 screws in it, check it again. Unlocked, locked. Hell yeah, motherfuckers. That's in. That's in. And that is a fixed door lock. That shit's easy as fuck. Just to show you guys it does work. Unlock. Lock. Fuck yeah, bro.